Hi friends, in the last episode we discussed about sentence translation method. There are different methods of language learning, but the basics are the same everywhere. Sentence translation method is a byproduct of grammar translation method. While learning any new language at school level, first of all we learn the alphabets, then words, then sentences, and side by side we practice grammar. But have you observed that a child learning mother tongue through this method? Mother tongue is learned just by listening. There are many people who could not read or write but can speak fluently. It happens because there is no need to learn reading or writing for speaking. Speaking is a different skill than reading or writing. Reading and writing are not necessary skills for speaking. But yes, we can definitely utilize these skills for better speaking. So, all the time, we must remember that we have to listen a lot. I know we get very few chances to listen. But where there is a will, there is a way. We all are living in Maharashtra. Marathi is our mother tongue. 24 hours we listen Marathi. We listen Marathi. Where do we need to speak in English? What type of sentences are useful for us? And if we want to learn sentences, tense is the must. Tense means time. Tense means time. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. The first type is present tense. When something is happening, the action is going on, that time is called as present tense. The action shows the tense. At present, I am speaking. The act of speaking is going on. You are listening. The act of listening is going on. So, this is the continuous present tense. The action is continue. When something is happening at present, that tense is called continuous present tense. Again, there are 4 subtypes of every tense. Today, we are discussing the first subtype of present tense, that is simple present tense. This tense is used to show habits, facts, universal truths, and sayings. Simple present tense is used to show habits, facts, universal truths, and sayings. When I tell something about my habits, I must use simple present tense. For example, I take 4 cups of tea every day. I go to market on each Sunday. I read newspaper every morning. I listen Akashvani Yavatmal on every Thursday evening. I watch TV every evening. Every day, I pray to God for poor people. I clean up my cupboard once in a month. I always try to write simple sentences in simple present tense. In all these sentences, I am speaking about my habits. What I do every morning, every evening, every day, every week, and every month. It means simple present tense is used to tell about habits. Next is the fact. Simple present tense is used to tell the facts. For example, India is my country. I love my nation. She likes pomegranates. tomatoes are red in color. People celebrate Ganesh festival once in a year. Our school reopens on 5th of June every year. Children love chocolate ice cream. Barack Obama lives in America. You all listeners are very sincere. The audience of Amruta Khanderao YouTube channel is the best quality audience. All these sentences shows the facts and simple present tense is used to tell about facts. These sentences are very easy to identify. We all wish to achieve mastery on spoken English. The master key is at the top of the highest mountain and we are at the foot of that highest Everest. I remember one of the popular line, सच्ची लगन जो हो तो पर्वत भी धूल है. So friends, be brave. I am with you. मैं हूं ना. Thank you.